I'm Boyd Hooper in Embarrass, Minnesota, where a temperature of 64 degrees below zero was recorded in 1996. Not that cold today, just 31 degrees below zero. This marked the 18th day this winter in Embarrass that the temperature has not gone above zero.
I'm meteorologist Elena Nearing reporting from WZZM 13 in Grand Rapids, Michigan, also known as the Mitten State. And this time of year, you really need those mittens. It is so cold out here. We've had actual temperatures way below zero. And when you factor in the winds, it feels like 20 to 30 degrees below zero. You can get freezing and frostbite conditions within 15 minutes of being exposed to this extreme cold. Now, in addition to the really cold temperatures, we've also had the snow falling for the last few days, and that's piled up. We've had reports of up to 12 inches of the fluffy white stuff, and it's making travel really difficult across the area.
I'm Sheriff Fazal at KSDK in St. Louis. My phone says it's 12 degrees, and that is the warmest it has been in 48 hours. In fact, we're headed up to a temperature of 20-something, and that is why all of these people are out here. 20-something, though, is not going to melt more than a foot of snow that is on the ground in our area.
Hi everyone, it's Monica Robbins in the greater Cleveland, Ohio area, where we're considering this somewhat of a heat wave because it's only 0 degrees here. That means the freezer in my kitchen is only 30 degrees warmer than it is right now. We're still dealing with those horrible wind chills, though, of sub-zero temperatures, but the sun is out and we're expecting a warming trend and a heat wave tomorrow. It's supposed to get up to about 17 degrees. Meanwhile, today we spent the day with people who know how to handle this cold. Our postal workers who were dressed in layer after layer after layer, but still their eyelashes and eyebrows covered in icicles. That's what we've been doing all day. We hope it's warm where you are.
I'm meteorologist Erica Groh at WUSA here in Washington, D.C., where temperatures have been in the teens all afternoon, but that's nothing compared to the bone-chilling cold that we had early this morning. At Reagan National Airport in D.C., we got down to 6 degrees. That's just 1 degree shy of our record low. 5 degrees was set about 130 years ago. So it's freezing here in D.C. We're not used to cold like this. Neither is this t-shirt. It is stiff as a board and frozen solid. We're ready to thaw out here in the DC metro area.
Here in Columbia, South Carolina, we broke the record low this morning of 16 degrees, set back in 1924 by 3 degrees as the temperature dropped down to 13. With the gusty winds, it felt more like single digits. The sun is shining now and the palmetto trees are blowing in the breeze, but don't let that fool you. It's still freezing, with temperatures struggling to get out of the 30s today.